In this video, I'll show you how to create a listing on TripAdvisor. Alright, so what we're going to do is go to tripadvisor.com.co.za.uk, whatever your country is, and we're going to scroll all the way down until we see the option of owners. And now you'll see the claim your listing option. We want to just search for your listing name. I'll just make one up and we can add a missing place since it's not yet listed. And here's the form that we can fill out. So name our location, what is the category, and of course, depending on what category or what kind of place you pick, you'll be locked out of certain options. You can add extra information like owning a tour company or holiday rental. Then we need to put in the address. You can type it in or you can use Mapbox. And then you need to click on yes, I am a representative of this place. And optionally, you can pick on email with new reviews of this place and ways to improve. And then hit save and continue. And that will take you to contact and hours. And you'll just fill in your contact hours, the hours that you are open and the hours that you are closed. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.